Hi Grant, this is Tom Robinson, and I'd like to take the Vinyl Collective back to 1984 and Peter Gabriel, who I'd happened to write a couple of songs with in the previous few years, because it was Peter who gave me the debut LP by a completely unknown Scottish band called the Blue Nile, A Walk Across the Rooftops. The whole record wasn't quite like anything either of us had ever heard before, and he thought I ought to hear it. But the one tune I kept coming back to, The Gift That Kept Giving, was track 2 on that album, a song I've quite literally been listening to ever since for the last 39 years. It combines a pure emotional uplift that makes the heart sing with an irresistible groove that even to this day it still gets an arthritic 73-year-old up on his feet to dance in the studio every single time I play it on the radio. I know you and your listeners are going to know this already. I also know not a single one of you is going to mind hearing it again. So everybody on your feet now, open your hearts up for Tinseltown in the Rain. Thanks.
Tinseltown is in the rain. I know Richard and I just agreeing with Tom Robinson. You can never tire of hearing that. The Blue Nile and Tinseltown in the Rain. From the 1984 album of the same name, their debut record. It was recorded in Castle Sound Studios in Pencaitland. Be nice to have a listen back event there, couldn't we? Could all go round and just get a wonderful, maybe a nice Lynn turntable and hi-fi set up and listen to it again. That'd be lovely. The album, I mean, talk about crimes of the chart. The album only got to number 80 in the UK, and Tinseltown the Rain didn't climb any higher than 87. It was played everywhere. It was played every DJ worth his salt. Pubs, clubs at the time absolutely had that in their back pocket if they were even remotely cool. And yeah, I did. I've still got it with my, and it's still in the cellophane. Still in the cellophane. £2.99 at the Virgin Megastore. So yeah, so what an absolutely brilliant pick from Tom Robinson. And yeah, we do, and I know he's a big fan. I've seen him dancing in his studio to that one. And as we mentioned earlier on, there's that stunning CD collection